Hey, welcome back to your Caribou Data Science channel, Sweden. Today is, today's Monday, August the 2nd, 2021. Now, I'll give a big shout out to the 16 people who viewed this video yesterday. Thanks so much for those 16 views. Of course, I'll do a couple of favors to ask. First of all, of course, click the subscribe button, then click the like button, and most important of all, for growing the channel, click on that share button and share this channel and this video with your friends and family today. You can share it on Facebook and Twitter. You can also share it by copying and pasting the link into a text message and email and sharing it with your friends and family that way also. Okay, that concludes the message from our sponsor. Before we get started, of course, I need to remind ourselves that Sweden only records COVID-19 deaths Tuesday to Friday, which produces a big artificial spike on Tuesday. So therefore, we're actually not going to be paying that much attention to the actual daily numbers because we don't know what the actual daily numbers are. Okay, so we're going to basically operate on the model that the trend is our friend, and so if the cases of deaths are trending downward, that's good news. If they're trending upward, well, that's not quite good. That's not good news. Okay, so that's really our big concern here. The trend is our friend. Okay, so let's just fire this up here. And these spikes, of course, as always, are the Tuesday numbers. What we're interested in is this blue line. Now, what you can see, you had a declining pattern all the way down to here. But then back over here, sometime late July, you begin to see an increase in cases. Okay? An increase in cases. Now, this is a 28-day moving average showing the same data. Again, you can see this long declining pattern, slight spike up back down here. These are daily deaths. You can see the declining pattern. While we had some speed bumps, a little bit of a roller coaster ride, at this point, the deaths are decreasing. Although they may be flattening out here, maybe even a slight uptick here. But anyway, the overall pattern for deaths in Sweden continues to be downward. And you can see the same thing here on this plot here. Now, if we look at the weekly cases, you can see you are seeing an increase up here for the previous 3 weeks. Okay? Which isn't good, but I mean, look at where you came from, okay? What about deaths? You had 3 weeks now when the deaths were a little bit high for some reason or other. You wonder why that is. Of course, one of these could be Tuesday, okay? So, overall, the deaths are continuing downward, okay? Even with these spikes, they're slightly downward, okay? And that's the best news I have right now. Monthly cases, you can see that July's cases was the lowest number of months since all the way back over here in August of 2020. Okay, or maybe October 2020. Maybe it's a better number. Okay, deaths 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months in a row now. You've had a decline in monthly COVID-19 deaths, and that really is what I want you to focus on. The trend as it relates to COVID-19 deaths. Okay. Thanks so much for your time, Bay Sweden. We'll catch you tomorrow with an updated report.